welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Whiskey Wednesday, Wine Wednesday, or just good old wonderful Wednesday. Since I quit drinking, I don't do whiskey, I don't do wine unless it's for cooking. That's the only time I use it. All right. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Morocco. That's a country I would love to visit. Don't know why, just, sounds like fun. I prepared Moroccan chicken tagine. Sorry for the pause. It was good, very good. If you're looking for something Moroccan or something from that region of the world, try this. You'll be satisfied, I promise. It's very, very good. There's basically no spice in it. There's no peppers, no chiles. But it's got full of flavor. If you remember from yesterday, I used the Casual Chef Ras Hanout spice blend in this. It is a Moroccan blend available. Just contact me or go to the website. All right. Today is a normal day here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen, but we are taking a side trip before we go to our next stop in the expedition. We're going back to Cambodia. I actually forgot I did Cambodia like the first or second day of the expedition. So I had this one slated for Cambodia. But then I checked my records and went, oops. But I decided to keep it on the menu anyway. What I'm preparing tonight is Lort Cha Noodles. The original recipe has chicken, but as I have discussed a few times, I'm trying to do this on a budget. And since chicken is pricey, I've decided to switch it over to cod. That good old $2 for a 4-ounce chunk of cod. So let's get to it. Hardware, real simple. Got the champion out. It is wok day. It's Wednesday wok day. And the Dutch oven is for the noodles. All right, let's get to it. I have 8 ounces of Pacific cod, wild caught. And this is from Winco. It's just over $2 per section, per piece. A little bit of oil. This is avocado oil. I'll be using the oil for the wok, obviously. I'll slice up half of this onion. It's also garlic day, hence the bag. So I'll be processing and mincing my garlic today. The other goodies is red bell pepper, carrots, bean sprouts, an egg. I will scramble this egg. It kind of goes in towards the end. And the sauce consists of fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and just a tad of honey. The noodles I'll be using are a rice noodle. This is a linguine style. I've used these before in the past with several dishes. I love them. These are great wide rice noodles. And just a little bit of pepper. There is no salt involved in this dish. So here are the goodies for tonight's meal from Cambodia. Actually, one second. That's Fizzy. Say hi, Fizzy. Oh, groom, groom, groom. She is on her tissue paper, which is kind of covered in catnip. So, you got to see my calico. Yeah, it's the only way I can keep her calm in the morning. Just give it a little bit of catnip. All right. So on this Wednesday, this Wok Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.